Hi, I know it's dark.
Hi.
Oh, look, I can kind of see your face.
I can see your light.
I know. Maybe. Okay, right. Michael's lighting one. Happy 4th of July. Ooh, shit. Ooh, that was cool. Okay, Alex is lighting this
I'm lighting one.
giant thing. I don't know what it does. I don't know what it does.
I don't either.
Oh, shit. Hey, that was awesome. Hi.
Hey.
I can't see your face, but I just wanted to mark that you're here.
Happy 4th.
Hi.
Hi, Jenny.
You're supposed to talk into it so I can tell that you're here.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Hi, Jenny.
Hi, Bubby. Hello. I can't see you, but I just wanted to mark that you're here. Thank you for kissing my camera.
Oh my God, what happened?
What is this?
It's like a flare.
California candle.
What?
Is it gonna... It smells of spark.
Do you see how
You look like the Statue of Liberty. On crutches.
Statue of Liberty. If you were crippled.
Here, wait, hang on. Hold it. Hold it up like the Statue of Liberty.
I'm not holding this thing.
Is that all it does? That's fun.
Statue of Liberty.
I want one.
Oh, this thing's so heavy.
What's wrong with it?
He had hip surgery.
Just waiting for it to shoot jets out the side.
I know. I'm like kind of worried that I'm on the side here. Competition.
Oh, we're gonna kick your ass.
Just wait until the finale. That big thing. I have no idea what it does, but just wait.
This is Thomas about to kill himself.
Thomas about to kill himself with the speed it up. Is that what it's called? Okay.
This may be loud, or it may be bright.
This
we
will
don't
be
really
loud,
know.
loud and bright and high and
Thomas
expensive.
is gonna run.
Is this speeded up?
Yeah.
Sweet.
I don't know what it does. Oh shit.
Oh my God, it's hot.
Beat that!
Pretty much.
Look at all of these fireworks that Matt brought. Like, what is that?
I don't know, but we're gonna try it.
Oh my God! Why is it like?
Take a trip to China.
Wait! I want to see the
looks like
face
our
on
thing.
it. Wait! Bring it back! I want to see the
One crutch thing here.
Wait! I want to see the face.
You're gonna see the face. It lights up.
It's got a face on it.
It's gonna light up.
Okay. Apparently it's supposed to light up, but it has a face on it.
But there's also packaging.
There's the top one.
You got it? Yeah. There we go.
All right, let me
Okay.
light this. And...
Here's a punk.
Wait,
It looks like
someone bring me my other crutch actually, so I can get out of here. Wait.
he looks like Kermit the Frog. Look.
All right, Jenny.
Here you go, kid. All right. I love how we're laughing at the other people's lame fireworks. Back up. Oh, it glows. His mouth glows. Oh, Lord.
Wow. Look at the face. Look at his face.
Awesome.
Car in front of it. I didn't even realize there was a car there. You couldn't see it.
That was really good. Nice
That was
one.
Kermit.
Kermit.
Kermit's no longer with us.
Oh, I want to see. Wait. Okay, this is the giant thing that we bought. I don't know.
It might be loud, but it's kind of big. It's about as big as my head. I can probably fit my head in here.
Oh my Lord. But yeah, no, that's our big finale. You'll see it. Oh my
I love
lord.
the narrating.
But look how big that is. Like. Yeah, exactly. Like the size of my hand. That's how big this tube is.
Someone give me a light.
Okay, wait.
Me and Jen
wait.
are gonna like this.
No, me and Alex. We bought it. Okay, here, wait.
Both of them.
Shit. Okay, here we go.
Don't know what it's gonna do.
Oh my god.
It's like she's taking it.
Oh my god. Oh. Was that it?
Happy Independence Day, everyone.
Woo! I'm kind of bummed by that one.
No, I think we picked the wrong finale.
Here's my car. See, this is my car, right?
That's a really big roach.
Look at this roach. Alex, put your hand next to it to show size. If it doesn't run away.